Now, who wouldn't want to drink the vodka?
Who would want vodka? Vod Squad.
Right? Hi, my name is Lexie, and I'm a nurse recruiter here at Atlas.
And I'm Natasha, a recruiter here at Atlas as well.
And we're here today with your Tipsy Recruiter, and we are making
Moscow Mules.
Yay!
Woohoo!
All right, we got the standard copper mug. Now, they use the copper mug because apparently it just keeps the drink colder. So say you're sitting outside on a hot day, get those patio pounder drinks. It'll keep it nice and cold and refreshing for you.
Keep it cool.
So let's get started. We just need 3 ingredients for this bad boy. Vodka, ginger beer, some lime juice, and top it off with a lime. So let's get going.
So, fun fact with the Moscow Mule, it was invented around the 1940s at, let's see, it was called Cock and Bull Bar. It's a Los Angeles British bar.
Oh.
And the guy, he had purchased Smirnoff vodka. Well, nobody wanted to drink the vodka. And also, too coincidentally, he bought too much ginger beer.
Now, who wouldn't want to drink the vodka?
Who would want vodka? Vod Squad.
Right?
But so the way to convince people to drink the vodka and his large supply of ginger beer was to make a Moscow Mule.
That is awesome.
And so with the cup, his girlfriend actually worked for a company that made the copper mugs.
So it's a win for everybody.
Ta-da! There's your...
And us. It's a win for us.
Yeah, win for us to enjoy and bring to you guys.
Now, ginger beer isn't really beer, just to let you guys know. It is just fermented, not like ginger ale. That's made more like a pop. So you get a more gingery flavor. And I guess some ginger beers are a little more on the spicy side of ginger. So if you don't want that spice, you can add a little simple syrup or maybe some more lime if you want. All I'm doing right now is topping off our drinks with some ginger beer.
There we go.
And you guys can get a little creative with your flavors too. If you want to add tequila to it, it'll make it a little more fun.
Have a little
bit of flavored vodka. You can do a cucumber vodka with some jalapeno in there. Get a little spice. All kinds of stuff. Some Maker's Mark. If you want to add some whiskey, some cherries, do like almost an old-fashioned type.
There you go. Twist on it.
There you go. So squeeze some lime in there. Nice thing about limes, don't have seeds.
Oh, I'm gonna squirt it in my eye.
I'm gonna give it a little stir here.
There we go.
Top it off with my lime.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
All right, there we go. Guys, that is super easy, super tasty.
That is very easy.
Look at that condensation, that's cold.
There you go.
Perfect.
That's a good one.
Yes.
I like the lime.
Yeah.
Sometimes they're a little too spicy for me.
Right.
But that extra fresh
And you can control
lime,
that, so.
that helped it out.
Yum. So where can we go check out?
Yeah, so some awesome places for you guys to check out some Moscow Mules is Drink in Boston, Massachusetts, LUXBAR in Chicago, Illinois, Libertine Social in Las Vegas, Nevada, The Standard Pour in Dallas, Texas, and J-Bar in Aspen, Colorado.
When I'm skiing.
So if you guys are ever at those locations and get a Moscow Mule, make sure you guys send them to us so we can check it out.
All right, enjoy.
Cheers.